We are doing a daily stretch routine. This is all standing. We're going to add some movement into our day, perfect for first thing in the morning or before bed, or to add on to another activity, another workout. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. We're standing nice and tall, belly button pulled in just slightly to engage the core, chest lifted, crown of the head to the ceiling. One arm, reach forward, circle up to the ceiling, circle back and down, and then the other arm. You decide how big you're making your arm circles. One more each side. Clasp your hands above your head. Turn your palms to the ceiling. Reach your arms to the ceiling. Release the hands. Let your arms float back down to the side of the body. And again, clasp the hands. Turn the palms to the ceiling. Reach and release. And again. Let's do 3 more. Arms out to a T with palms facing down. Cross one arm to touch the opposite shoulder, and then we're going to twist towards that extended arm. And back to center and other side. And just keep going side to side. Gentle twist. One more each side. And let those arms come down. And then we're going to plant our feet wide with toes pointing out. Arms are down along your sides. We're going to do some side bends, bending into the knees. A modification is you could keep your legs straight and just do your side bends. So as we bend into one knee, opposite arm reach to the ceiling, and then side bend over, and then go to the other side. One more each side. And then bringing your feet a little bit closer together. Your feet are still a little bit wider than hip width. We're going to have hands on our hips, and we're going to do hip circles. So start by bringing your hips over to one side, circle forward, over to the other side, circle back. So just going again slowly. And your upper body is just moving in opposition to the position of the hips. So as the hips move to one side, the torso moves to the other side. Just tune into what feels right for your body. When you're ready, you can change direction. Maybe one more circle. Stand up tall. We're going to clasp hands in front of our chest, and then reach your knuckles forward, reach your arms forward. Release your hands, bring your palms to your lower back, and lift the chest, bring the elbows back, bring the shoulders back. And again, clasp hands in front of the chest, reach the knuckles forward, Release your hands, bring palms to the lower back, shoulders move back. Again. We'll go 3 more rounds. And then just relax your arms alongside your body. We're going to imagine we're drawing a little circle with the tip of our nose. So just go ahead and draw a little circle, and you decide how big you're drawing your circle as we're doing just a gentle head movement here. Not working through any discomfort, any pain, just whatever feels like the right amount of head movement for you. And when you feel ready, you can just pause and then go in the other direction. And one more circle. Bring your head to center. We'll roll the shoulders up, back, and down. And keep going just with those shoulder rolls. You could bring the arms into this move. 3 more. Relaxing the shoulders down away from ears. In a moment, we'll finish with 3 big breaths together. And thank you for joining me. I always appreciate if you hit the like button and comment and let me know how this routine was for you. So let's bring the arms down alongside the body and inhale to the ceiling and exhale down. And 2 more. Fill the lungs up. Exhale the air out of the lungs, and 1 more. Lovely work. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you next time.